Most automakers these days have a few plug-in hybrids on offer, and Honda is no exception. More recently, it has introduced the new Accord PHEV, essentially a plug-in version of the Honda Accord eHEV. This version of the Accord is right now only available in mainland China. However, it does share the same technology as the CR-V PHEV, a model that's now also available in Europe. That means it uses a 2.0-liter Atkinson cycle gas engine mated with dual electric motors and a larger battery pack. The result is a total system output of 215 horsepower, up by 8 from the eHEV, and 335 Nm of torque from the electric motors. Honda claims it has performance figures similar to a 3.0-liter V6 engine and up to 25 km per liter in mixed driving conditions. It also has an EV-only range of around 106 km. With its 50-liter fuel tank, that gives this Accord a theoretical range of 1,250 kilometers. That's something the Honda Accord models of the past couldn't do, no matter how hard you tried. From the outside, there's not much that distinguishes it from the standard models. The only notable difference here is a flap on the front fender that serves as its port for the charging socket. Inside, it's identical to the Japanese or ASEAN market model. As for features, it comes with Honda Sensing 360. It adds features such as front cross-traffic alert, lane change collision mitigation, and lane change support. Honda Connect is also standard, as well as in-car Wi-Fi. It's unlikely that these models will ever be sold outside of China. But given that its longtime rival, the Toyota Camry, is going hybrid only, perhaps the folks from Honda should start thinking about it.